G'day everyone, back again with another video. Alright, so just when I have just installed the carbon fibre shifter, my eBay shifter has arrived with the black and red stitching, fake leather of course. It's a non-genuine. I really do like the carbon fibre, but I might swap it out and use this one for a while. Doesn't feel as solid as this one, so we'll see how it goes. Removal's the same. You take the bottom surround out. Now this is a genuine one and I believe it's pretty rare, so I'll take that out. Might have to do it with two hands.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard.
Alright, back again. Finish installing the eBay shifter. It actually feels not too bad. I didn't think it felt as solid, but it actually looks good. It's very nice. Might keep it on for a few weeks and see how I like it. Right, back again. I've got a few goodies that I've ordered and I'm just waiting on. I've got a turbo. It's a KO3 053, sorry. It has the muffler on it, but it's a KO3S, so it will push a little bit more air through the to the intake system and hopefully produce a bit more power. Along with that, I'm going to install a 3-inch eBay downpipe, and I've ordered a cat as well, so just get that welded on at an exhaust place hopefully. So yeah, some plans coming along for the engine. Pardon me. I'll have some, boost hoses, intake, that sort of stuff coming as well. That's a bit more slow progress on that one. So yeah, so if anyone has a I don't know, a GTI airbox, let me know. Don't think I like the pod filter sitting in the engine bay. It seems a bit inefficient. Just means that intercooler has to work a bit harder, which I'm not a fan of. Haven't upgraded the intercooler yet either, so that's coming. Because I've got a genuine R32 front bar, I don't feel like hacking it up this time, so I'm going to probably opt for a side mount intercooler, just a fatter one, alloy one. That'll hopefully cool the intake temps down a little bit more. But yeah, that's coming. So waiting for some turbo stuff to come. Downpipe's coming hopefully next week. So I'll make a video on that too. Yeah, thanks everyone.